Hey guys, Forrest from Sevierville, Tennessee. I replaced all my windows at the beginning of this year. So this is a follow-up video just to talk about these windows. I bought them from Manning. I got clear pane windows, none of the bars in the middle, you know, none of the little crossbars. Placed all the windows in the house. They're all standard priced windows. I'd have to do the math for you to see what they cost per window. But they're nice looking windows. Assuming they're actually doing well for holding the heat. The house has been keeping temperature a lot better. This is a larger window here. This is the only oversized one, so they charged me a little differently for that window cost. They do doors, they said too, like they could do back doors, but they don't actually do French doors. But they came in, cleaned up, did all the windows at actually a very reasonable price. All these windows here, I mean, they all look about the same, obviously, same kind of windows, but this is their lifetime guaranteed windows, triple hung. They have the vinyl, they have the clear, the smooth drop on the outside here, so they're super easy to clean on the outside, and the screens are also lifetime warranted. So, you know, if they break or something, they'll come out and fix them. Like you see, they're nice. They swing in and out. The bottom, the top comes down, you know, so they'll come up and down, they'll go out. They pull out for easy cleaning. And like I said, and the bottoms are all smooth, so it's easy to clean out. Because the ones before here in this trailer were super crappy windows, I guess, you know. I don't know. They were falling apart. All the hinges are breaking out of them. Now, they were about 10 years old, or actually probably 15 years old. But these are much nicer windows. So the value, the insulation value, these are much nicer as well too, of course. So, because I was actually buying these had actually all popped out. The hinges inside of them were falling apart. Once those start coming out, they didn't really stay in place too well. I kept putting seals at the bottom of them. Wasn't helping much. So these look nicer and they're much cleaner windows. So, and I mean, they're just a little bit bigger in the fitting, but I mean, as you see, they fit them in here perfectly. They look great. They even put all the blinds back up, which I was kind of like, you know, damn, I'm gonna have to go back and put all these stupid blinds back in. But they hung them all back up for me. They were in and out in no time. They knocked it out. So I'm just showing you the paperwork quickly. Have no light in the house, by the way, because the power is out right now. But that's a different story. Talking about my solar panels here in another video. But here's for the windows. Manning Windows. This is Sevierville. I said they're actually a company around here, but they're good guys. So local guys. They've been doing it for a while. His kids taking over the business. But this is what we got. Double hung, half screen windows. So no grids, white. I can't remember how many windows were in here, but that was the total price he quoted me, $4,800. And I will say that was actually doing a window at my brother's house next door too. They did one window there that really needed it, that was leaking. But we also did them at my girlfriend's house. We did all her windows. So they knocked out all these windows. They cleaned up. They were good guys. It was I was actually very impressed with that part of it. So I think there's another page here. No, that's it. So, but this is just an estimate, I guess, of how much it should cost. We had Home Depot come out as well. They actually were quite a bit higher per window. They want to give you a double lifetime warranty and all that kind of stuff too, of course, or whatever. I'm not saying they don't do a good job, but this was a good price. I was happy with this cost. I could live with that. So, all right. Good luck.